Most finance channels will not tell you this, because their sponsors would drop them. But here's exactly what we're building today: a $100,000 portfolio using only free AI tools. And yes, it was done by a 22-year-old. Let's dive in. Why does this matter? Because if a young investor can build a substantial portfolio using free resources, so can you. Imagine slashing your investment costs while maximizing your returns. That's the power of leveraging AI in your investment strategy. And guess what? You don't need a finance degree to do it. Before we get started, let's cover the prerequisites. All you need is a basic understanding of the stock market and access to a computer. No fancy software or expensive subscriptions required. We'll be using the best personal finance app and the best personal finance tracker available in 2026. These tools will help you manage your investments efficiently without costing a dime. Now, let's walk through the steps. First, choose the right platform. Robinhood is an excellent choice for beginners. It offers commission-free trading and has a user-friendly interface. Once you set up your account, start exploring the AI-powered features. For instance, the stock market AI tool can analyze market trends and provide actionable insights. Next, focus on diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. This reduces risk and increases potential returns. Use the best personal finance tracker to monitor your portfolio's performance regularly. It will help you make informed decisions based on real-time data. As you continue to invest, remember to reinvest your dividends. This compounds your returns over time. Also, stay updated with the latest stock market news. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. The best personal finance books can be a great resource for learning more about investment strategies. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people think they need expensive tools to succeed in the stock market, but actually free AI tools can do the job just as well. For example, the best AI stocks can be identified using open source algorithms. These tools analyze vast amounts of data to find hidden patterns and opportunities. Pro tip number 1, always double check your analysis. Even the best AI tools can sometimes miss crucial details. Use multiple sources to validate your findings. Pro tip number 2, be patient. Building a successful portfolio takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations, but the real surprise is coming. By following these steps and utilizing free AI tools, you can achieve impressive results. Our young investor did it, and so can you. Now, let's look at the final result. A $100,000 portfolio built entirely using free resources. Isn't that amazing? If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new investing content every single day. The next story is even crazier.